What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. If you recognize this house behind me, it's because I did a video on it while it was being rehabbed. Now that it's done, we are going to go inside and take a look at the finished product. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, this one's special because the last time I was here, this place was under construction. Okay, they were actually rehabbing it the day that I came in here. I did a tour with the owner and his wife, and they took me through the whole thing. And they told me, when you come back, we're going to leave a surprise for you. And the surprise that they left was this beautiful mantle. Okay, right when you walk in, it's really the first thing you see when you come in. So we'll take a step back. Okay, right when you walk in, you have an area here to hang up a jacket. Maybe you have a pet and you want to hang up their dog collar. Or maybe the kids have raincoats. Maybe you have a raincoat. Maybe you want to throw your keys up here. That's a really nice thing to have. And then in here, you can throw your shoes just so that they're not sitting on the floor. You actually put them in there kind of like a bowling alley, right? So again, with this mantle, that's beautiful. Put a TV in there and then stay warm. Now, I do like what they did with the ceilings up here. And put it in the comments what they call this. I know on the walls, they'll be like, oh, it's wainscoting, but that's not what it is here, okay? This to me, that's a fancy ceiling frame. And I'm sure there's an official name for it. I'm sure you guys are going to tell me, but let me know in the comments. I like this. I like what you did up here. That's beautiful. I'm assuming there's going to be some sort of LED lighting here, but the fact that you guys, what do you guys call this officially?
It's like a tray ceiling.
A tray ceiling? A tray ceiling. Good fan, good space here for a living room. Of course, up the stairs, you'll see the bedrooms. And then right here is a space also to put additional jackets, winter coats and whatnot. And I'm sure at some point, you want to put some doors here, okay? So there's that. There is also a bathroom here. Over here, we have a dining room. So before we go into the dining room, we're in the dining room, right? Before I show you more of the dining room, let's take a look at this bathroom really quick, okay? Now, I love the color scheme in here. I'm gonna turn these lights on. Let me take another step back. You know, as a former photographer, or maybe as a photographer, because I don't think you ever stopped being a photographer, lighting is everything, and the way this is lit, the color selection on the wall, the green, I want to say the green is the new 2026 it color. Especially this type of green. This looks very nice. It gives the bathroom a very, very nice vibe. And I do know that the owners were saying that they wanted to have a farm style look to it, especially since Oak Park is only about a half a block away from where I'm standing right now. Here are the stairs to the basement. We'll be down there in a little while, but I hope you guys enjoyed that bathroom as much as I did. Let me know in the comments. Okay, now, dining room table goes right here, and it sits underneath this beautiful light fixture. I really enjoy it. They picked a good one. Okay, that's nice. And again, we still have that framing up there for the ceiling and for the light. Beautiful. Now, I gotta show off the kitchen, you guys. Here we go. First of its kind. Bam.
And you're gonna have a nice island here.
Okay.
And then the cabinets, fridge, stove, microwave.
Who measured all this? Is this the cabinet guy that did this?
No,
or?
My husband.
He did that?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
He's
been in business for a long time.
So he knows.
Yeah.
So this is the vision, right?
This is, yeah.
You mentioned earlier paint. What color paint were you thinking in here?
Well, we're going to go with green cabinets. I'm not sure if we have the color. Do you have the color, Chuck?
Ashton green.
Ashton green.
Ashton green. Look at that. Farm style kitchen. And the reason why, you got the dark wood island here. We have the beautiful shades of green with the custom cabinet work. I do like it. Look at these knobs. Nice attention to detail with the knobs. I love when they do that. Look at those soft close cabinets. You guys can see that and appreciate it. Very nice. That fixture's cool because it matches that fixture, because it matches that fixture, because it matches that fixture, because it matches this fixture right over here, okay? In the last video, when this place was not completed, we were talking about whether or not this thing was going to be a wet bar. And by the looks of things, you guys, you know what? That thing looks pretty wet to me. Okay, there you go. And for those of you that watch the videos, you know I like touching the water. So there it is. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Okay. Now, if I come down here, nice faucet, going to turn it on. Okay, there we go. Water pressure is good. Okay. There's still, the water's been sitting, so it's probably why it's not going off, but I'm telling you, water pressure is really good. We have this hardwood here, dark wood, matching the dark wood there, matching the dark wood there. Again, everything is cohesive and I love it. Okay. Again, with the soft closed cabinetry. You can't even get mad in this house and make a statement because you try to slam the cabinets. This is not going to happen. Now, I don't know if appliances are going to go in, or maybe they're just not ordered yet. But imagine stainless steel appliances here. They're going to look fantastic. I do love this. Okay, so you can put water in your giant pots, and of course this is a vent, probably vents outside, so that if you're cooking something that smells extra good, you could share that smell with the neighbors and they can be jealous. The owners brought me water, right? We have a space here for a microwave, and that's a nice size microwave that's gonna go in there, you guys. So the popcorn is going to be no problem making, okay? Now, over here, a little storage area where I'm sure you can put some shelves, okay? Or maybe you leave it as a little area where you have your mops and whatnot to take care of these beautiful floors. But there's something that I haven't showed you guys. It's a walk-in pantry, and look at how much space there is in here. I think this is fantastic, especially for the house style they're trying to portray. Again, they're basing some of their ideas off of the houses that you would find in Oak Park, with the color, the fact that it's a farmhouse, and then this here, this is a nice addition. And that's this beautiful pantry. Look at this. Look at this pantry. Look at this pantry. When's the last time you've seen a pantry like this? Okay. Again, going with the farm style home, right? There's the kitchen. There is the pantry. I like it. I like it a lot. So you guys saw the first floor. Now it's time to take you guys upstairs to floor number 2, and then we are going to head to the basement, which I'm sure you guys are going to appreciate. Oh, by the way, this hallway right here going up the stairs, nice and wide, so that when you bring your furniture in here, you don't have to worry about the walls. So let's count the bedrooms really quick. So I see, here's bedroom number 1. Okay, we're going to bedroom number 1 right away. Okay, look at that gigantic fan. Ceiling fans, I like it. Okay, come in here. Beautiful windows. Look at the windows. Even the windows are a nice color. Okay. Closet, walk-in closet. Okay. Even has can lights in the walk-in closet. Go figure, right? Nice little mini closet right there. Okay, check this out. Fancy. Okay, check this out. Got a nice water jet little jacuzzi tub right here. Again, with a shower phone, right? Shower phone. There I am. And what am I standing in? What's this? What am I standing in, you guys? Let's take a look. Okay, that looks like a drain. That looks like a drain. Oh, excuse me. That's a lot of space. Oh, look at that shower.
It's called a wet room.
Absolutely.
Where it has the tub included in the shower.
Wow, so the tub included in the shower.
And this is going to have glass.
Glass. Wow, this is totally a wet room. Oh my God. Yeah. Careful, I don't get showered in here. Wow. Oh, excuse me. So if I push the wrong button right now, I'll get hit with water here, there, and then ultimately there. Let me take a step back so y'all can appreciate this shower. That is a shower fit for a queen or king, as we are in the master bathroom. Okay, again, jacuzzi tub, the ultimate shower. Nicest shower on my channel officially. Congratulations, you guys won the ultimate shower. And for a limited time, you also win the ultimate digital toilet that tells you the temperature I'm sure, of like the water and whatnot. If I open this, am I going to get jetted? Oh, wait a second. Hold on, you guys. Let me do it one more time. Everybody listen up. Watch this. Oh my goodness. Okay. I will let you know how this works out the next time I use it. But that's the first time I've seen this kind of toilet in here. Wow. Okay. Super cool, guys. Let me know in the comments if you think it's an auto bidet. Or let me know in the comments if you think it transports you to a different dimension. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Now, over here, regular toilet for everybody else, right? Special toilet for the master bedroom. Okay. Beautiful tile work. Okay, let's take a step back and turn these on. Okay. Nice lights, I do like. Okay. And it's a nice shower. It's a beautiful shower, put together very well. Nice deep soaking tub for everyone else that has a bedroom up here. So we've seen one master bedroom, right? We've seen the master bedroom. Oh, and really quick, this is where you would put your laundry machines. Hot water, cold water. We have a little sink there. And then we do have a furnace up here because it looks like there's zoned heating and cooling up here. Okay. So there's a bedroom over there, but we're going to go to this one here first. So we're in here in the bedroom. You have a nice large ceiling fan so that you can keep the air circulating, throughout the year. Maybe you don't want to put the AC on. Maybe you just want to open a window and turn on the fan. You could do that. In here, you can put a twin bed or a full bed if you wanted to. Nice space. Down here, this bedroom is rather large. You could put whatever size bed you wanted to in here also. Okay. Very nice. That closet is a decent size, I will say. Okay. Yeah, nice size. Nice size closet. And then there's a nice light in there, a nice LED light. So fantastic. Okay. Oh, and you have space back here to put like a 7-day chest. Oh, and I love this. Look at this detail. If you don't know what a 7-day chest is, it's basically a really tall dresser that's, thin, and it has drawers for like watches, ties, pantyhose, the unmentionables, and then on the bottom, whatever you want. Or you can put a gun safe here. The dude in me is like, gun safe, gun safe. But, you do whatever you want. But that's been the upstairs, right, where the bedrooms are. Now, we are going to head downstairs. Okay. Okay, now coming downstairs, here we are. We have the room over here with the mechanicals. So it is zoned on. It is zoned here. It is zoned for. This is to control here, the first floor, and then we saw that the second floor has its own zoning. That's what I wanted to say. This is the living space, aka the game room, the man cave, the seating space, whatever it is that you want to put down here. I think it's living space. I could see couches in here. I could see television right here. That looks fantastic. Down here we have this area of basement for seems to be entertaining, right? Which is nice. Over here, there is another area where you have your electrical. Okay, then you have a little bit of a storage unit over here where you can put, your stuff, which is cool. Okay. Now down here, we have another awesome shower, okay? Take a look at the floor. I like the floor. I love the tile on the floor. Nice fixtures, okay? All that's up to date. Take a look at this guy here. This is like a steampunk shower. You know what I mean? Come over here, start going, oh, take me back to 1985. And then boom, then you get cleaned, right? Beautiful. You could sit there and just take it as you're taking a shower. Just sit there and get blasted by the jets if the water pressure allows. So I'll take a step back so you guys get a glance at that. Very, very nice. Okay, now we are gonna go this way and take a look at the rest of the basement. Okay, we did see that, we passed that by. Okay, we have a bedroom right here. Super nice. Any size bed goes in here. You have a nice little escape window. I like to call those escape windows. But you got a nice window like that. You got to, in case you got to get out because of a fire or something. Okay. Nice size bedrooms. Okay. Let's come this way. Open up this door. Here we go. Then you have a little bit of a utility room. There you go. So, guys, if you like the property and you want to see it in person, send me a message, send me a DM, and I can get you in here. But again, if you guys want to see more real estate videos, if you want to see the video where this place wasn't finished as it was being built, click right here. And then if you want to see all my other video tours, you can click on the video over here. So I'm Antonio the Realtor, and see you in the next video.